Cat. Do you know, if your cute cat spends 70% of his life sleeping? Dog. Do you know, your dog can smell 1,000 scents? Rabbit. Do you know, your cute rabbit will be pregnant with baby rabbits for 30 days and can give birth to 4 to 12 rabbits? Pig. Do you know, one pig can give birth to up to 13 piglets at once? And sows can give birth twice a year. Chimpanzee. These primates can live a long life. They can live up to 82 years. Gorilla. Do you know gorillas have DNA similar to humans? Cow. Do you know cows can see up to 360 degrees? Donkey. Do you know a donkey can remember places they visited 25 years ago? Sheep. Do you know a sheep can heal itself when it is sick? Goat. Do you know they have rectangular pupils so they can see almost 360 degrees? Thanks for watching and bye-bye!